Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in. Use the Amazon app or a desktop browser because the layout differs. Once signed in, go to Accounts and Lists and tap Gift Cards, then redeem a gift card. Enter the voucher code exactly as shown, characters are case sensitive, and click Apply to add the balance to your Amazon gift card balance. Do this now so the funds sit in your account and can be used at checkout immediately. Once you've added items, proceed to checkout and review shipping options. On the payment page, choose to apply your Amazon gift card balance. If you redeemed earlier, select it as payment method. If the balance doesn't cover the full total, Amazon will prompt you to add a second payment method. Make sure to confirm the split so you aren't accidentally charged only one source. Finalize by placing the order. The system automatically deducts the gift balance first, saving card charges. After placing the order, check your confirmation email and your gift card balance to ensure the deduction occurred. If the voucher was rejected, first recheck the code for similar characters like O versus 0 and ensure the voucher hasn't expired or is region locked. Those are common issues. If problems persist, contact Amazon support with your account email, order ID, and voucher code. They can trace redemptions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.